Hey friends, if you wish to install CCleaner on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for CCleaner here. I mean, don't install this from the website or any third-party application. This application is such. So go to the CCleaner app and click on install. Now, what would happen if you install it from the website or any third party website? It will install a lot of additional add-ons which are redundant, and not just redundant, it will also install a browser plugin which will be very difficult to remove, and it and will keep popping up a browser. So this is how you can install the CCleaner application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.